Ever left a long Zoom or Teams call and realized you can't remember half of what was discussed? Or spent hours trying to find that one decision buried somewhere in your meeting notes? You're definitely not alone. That's where meeting transcription tools come in. Platforms like Scribble, Tactic, Otter, and Fireflies record your meetings and turn every word into text, instantly searchable and easy to share. You can recap action points, review decisions, and make sure everyone's on the same page, even if they missed the call. Personally, I've used Tactic and Scribble the most. Tactic for its real-time captions and instant summaries, Scribble for saving straight to Google Drive. Some of my colleagues swear by Otter for its summaries and who said what tracking. What's your go-to transcription tool? Drop it in the comments. But here's the thing. Having a transcript is just the start. The real magic happens when you can actually use that text. Pull insights, answer questions, and link your meeting with everything else you're working on. What if you could bring all your transcripts, documents, audio, and video into one place, and chat with them like you do with a real teammate? That's exactly what's coming to Verbis Chat. Soon you'll be able to upload multiple files, including meeting transcripts, documents, audio, and video, into a single smart knowledge hub. Got a new meeting? Just add the transcript to your hub. Your whole knowledge base grows with you. No more scattered info. Everything, all together, always searchable. Imagine this. Instantly search all your meeting content with AI-powered Q&A. Get automatic summaries and action points. Ask questions across multiple meetings and files at once. Export results as structured CSVs for reports or compliance. And of course, share chat sessions and answers with your team. So, why combine Verbis Chat with transcription tools? Well, you'll never lose an important detail again. You can totally supercharge onboarding. New team members can review and ask questions instantly. It makes audits, compliance, and record-keeping a breeze. You'll collaborate smarter, keeping everyone on the same page, literally. And of course, you keep your data safe and private in your own Verbis Chat workspace. We're testing this multi-file upload feature now, and honestly, it's fantastic. All your meeting transcripts, audio, video, and docs together, making it so much easier to find answers, connect information, and really see the big picture for your projects. What tools do you use to transcribe meetings? Do you have a favorite workflow or story? Go ahead and share it in the comments. Let's help each other run smarter, more productive meetings, powered by AI, powered by community.